Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to change the margins in Google Docs. For instance, if you have created a document and now in this document you need some space from top, from right side, from left, or even from bottom, from four sides, or even from the one side, one of them. So if you need space due to some printing area, it can be something, any reason. So if you want to increase or decrease, so how you can change the margins of your page. So here you can see in the menu bar file and here page setup. So you just click on page setup and then here you can see margins in inches. So by default from top one, from bottom one, from left one, and from right one. So for instance, if I change from top like 3, so you can see, okay, and now you can see the margin, the space from top has been increased. If I again go to the page setup and from the right side, if we increase 3, so you can see now it has been increased from the right side also. So I hope you have learned how to change the margins of your page if you are using Google Docs. So thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things, they can improve their professional skills. And also please subscribe to my channel so you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.